In this video, I show you how to redeem a Roblox gift card on iPad. Start by opening your web browser, any should work, and go to the Roblox website. Make sure you're on the official Roblox website, then sign in if you aren't already. Tap on the Robux icon at the top, then select Redeem Roblox Codes. Tap on the code box, then enter the code on your Roblox gift card. It should be on the back of the card. If this is your first time redeeming a gift card on your accounts, then there will be a box you need to select to confirm you are over the age of 18. Otherwise, you will need to read the text here, then tap on the Redeem button to agree and confirm. If you receive a free item, then feel free to equip it or just close the menu. Go back to the top and tap on the Robux icon, then select Buy Robux if you want Robux. Find the package you want, then select it. Select Roblox credit as your payment type, then wait for the page to load. Make sure your credit will cover the cost, then tap the Submit Order button. If the Robux aren't added to your account instantly, then wait a few moments and refresh the page. You now know how to redeem Roblox gift cards on iPad. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.